Welcome to Rita's Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing something simple but sweet tasting. We're going to be doing sticky sweet potato salad. But first thing first in Rita's Kitchen, what must we do? Wash our hands. Alright, I'm back. Hands are clean. Let's get started on this sweet but delicious dish. So first thing we're going to need for that sticky sweet potato salad, of course, the sweet potatoes. Now what I did with that sweet potato, I took the skin off. After taking the skin off, I used my cutting board and I diced it down into bite-sized pieces. That's the size you're looking for. If you want to go smaller or even if you want to go mash style, totally up to you. I like to eat mine in chunks. So then I boil them for about maybe 10 minutes or so. It don't take sweet potatoes long to actually get soft. Drain the hot water off, cool them down with some cool water, and let them set to the side for a bit. Now, next thing we're going to use for this sticky sweet potato salad is we're going to use a cinnamon sauce. That cinnamon sauce is just what it sounds like. It's a sauce mixed with nothing but cinnamon and sugar. And instead of, a regular based potato salad is made with mayo, relish, and things like that. Well, I thought, why not do something different? Let's try a sticky sweet potato salad. So we're going to need that cinnamon sauce. We're going to use some honey, some lemon juice. I'm also going with a little pecan, an ambrosia apple that I just simply diced up really nicely. It's pretty much like a tip of an apple. Then, to go ahead and make it more stickier, I'm using some brown sugar, about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons in the amount that I'm doing. This is actually only one very large potato diced up. And to finish it off with a little bitterness mixed in with that sweetness to make it really balanced, we're going to go ahead and garnish them with some nice, beautiful red raspberries. So, I'm going to go ahead, bring my bowl close to me. Okay, got my sweet potatoes ready to go and mix all of my great ingredients. First thing I'm going to put in there first is the brown sugar. I'm going to mix that around really good. Next thing I'm going to add is my pecans. Quite a few, and this is going to give it a nice crunchy texture. Then I'm going to add my apples. And this is really good for a nice summer day. And think about a good plate of soul food and all that saltiness playing around with them gravies and different things. And just to offset it, instead of doing a candy yam, think about a sweet potato salad. Every time you take a bite of food, boom, you got a nice little cold taste of sweet potato salad. I'm going to add me some honey. That's where a lot of that stickiness come in. A little more. A little lemon juice. Now, this is that cinnamon sauce I was telling you guys about. It's by Lyons. You may be able to find it in the store, or you can definitely order it off of Amazon, or even go to like a GFS or something like that. It don't have to be this particular brand, but a cinnamon sauce will be good. And you might want to even just make it yourself. Oh, this is going to be great. And I'm not going to mix my raspberry up in it. I'm just actually going to garnish it with it. Why? Because raspberries are soft. So those are going to go over the top for my final plate up. And so this is what our sticky sweet potato salad looks like. And it's just that simple. You can eat it warm or you can eat it chilled. Totally up to you. Sticky sweet potato salad. Voila.